Hi friends, Bill here with an honest review of the LUME CUBE Panel Go, adjustable lighting for the content creator. And I have enjoyed using this since the moment it arrived. There's a lot packed into this little box, so let's take an up-close look. First of all, it offers adjustable temperature from 3200 to 5600 K. And when I show you how simple and small all of this is, you may be surprised that it is that robust. The box doesn't have a lot in it. It's got a charging cable, which has a USB-C port on the end, so you may already have one of those cables around. And then there's the cube itself. On this side, a softening silicone wrap is provided for you to kind of soften the glow of the harshness. And then the back of it has all of your adjustability levels. I don't know how the camera is going to react to me firing this up, but let me turn it on for you just for a moment, which is done very, very simply, just here on the side with this blue button. And then on the back are all of the adjustability settings, where you can see what the current temperature is. On the side, there are dials to adjust the intensity, to adjust the temperature, and to take this in whatever, to put it in whatever mode you need it to be in. You'll also see a sliding scale that helps tell you how much power you have left depending on the intensity of the light setting. So right now, if I set it at 100%, I don't have a whole lot of power left. I haven't freshly charged it for the video. And as I move the power setting down, or the brightness setting down, you'll see that my duration time increases. Now, we can adjust both the intensity of the light, and we can also adjust the temperature of the light. So if you have a room that has a different temperature than the one that you're currently set in, you can slide this dial on the side and change the temperature. You want to go pure bright white, there's your bright white. And if you want to add a more golden look to it, there's your more golden look to it. That would be at 3200. And on the other end, at the 5600K range, that's about as bright white as it gets. So the LUME CUBE Panel Go has all sorts of features in it, hard to beat for the price, and extremely versatile for content creators. I mean, it brings a lot of light to the subject. I have this at about 25% right now, and I think you can see the difference when I'm using it versus when I'm not. Now, if I kick this up to 100%, let me put this back on the right setting. If I kick this up to 100% and I bring this glow in here, there's some shine off the old dome, right? So the LUME CUBE, really powerful punch in a little package.